First of all, departure from Ravu. The author left Ravu along with Daniel, an interpreter, and Satan, who was a tourist guide before leaving Lamo. The lady who had provided them accommodation at Ravu gave the author a gift and a long sleeved sheepskin coat as they were going to Mount Kailash, where it would be very cold. Saturn knew a shortcut to reach the mountain. He said the journey would be smooth if there was no snow. So the author is highlighting that he was accompanied with a Daniel and Saturn, and he had warmly welcomed by the Lamo, and he was gifted with a long sleeved sheepskin coat. Fine. Second is, as they passed through the hills, they saw individual drokbas, nomad shepherd it's called, looking after their flocks. Both men and women were seen. They were wearing thick woolen clothes. They would stop and stare at their car, something waving to them as they passed. Now he is discussing the drokbas. They were nomadic people. They were both men and women. They were wearing woolen clothes, and they were staring at author and his friends while passing. In third, he is saying that he was encountered with Tibetan mastiffs. These were the ferocious dogs. As they passed the nomad tents, he saw some Tibetan mastiff, which were dogs used by the shepherd. Then the car came close to their tents. They would bark furiously and fearlessly. They would chase the car for some distance and would go back. In the early days, Tibetan Mastiff became popular in China imperial courts as hunting dogs. They were brought along the Silk Road as a tax payment from Tibet. He is highlighting about the Tibetan Mastiff dog. They were used as guards. They were very ferocious dogs, and they barked very furiously, and they chased author. Ice blocks and road. The turns came sharper and more difficult as they climbed. The author started getting a severe headache. Suddenly, snow started falling and soon blocked the road. Daniel and the author got out of the car to reduce its load on sharp bends. The altimeter watch on the author wrist indicated that they were at the height of 5210 meters above sea level. The icy top layers of the snow was dangerous as the car could slip off the road. Though he is telling his experience about the road, there were many turns, sharper turns, and he felt headache, and there was a snowfall and the road was blocked. Fine. The author and the Daniel came out of the car, and they were at the height of 5210 meter above sea level. The icy tops layer were very dangerous, and the car could slip off. Which was top of the pass, the atmosphere pressure became so low that Saturn had to open the lid of the petrol tank to release evaporated fuel. Now he is highlighting the back of the highway. By later afternoon, they had reached the small town of Hor. Now he is detailing the Hor, right, on the shore of Lake Mansarovar, which was on old trade route from between Lhasa and Kashmir. में बेटा ये oldest trade route था. He is detailing it. Fine. Daniel returned to Lhasa from there. Saturn got the tire flat and the car repaired there. So his car got punctured over there. Fine. And the car repaired. Hor was a grim, miserable place. There was no vegetation whatsoever, was dust and rocks. So, the Hor was a The plight was very miserable over there. No vegetation, and there was dust and rocks all around. There was accumulated rubbish था, dusty, rocky, और no vegetation थी. Okay, और plain place was not good. Unlike the past, the place no longer appeared holy, and it didn't appear holy to the author. By 8:30, they reached Darchen, where they found a guest house to stay in. But at 10 it was end of the road. The author had a very troubled night. His nostrils were blocked. He was not able to get enough air into his lungs. Most of the night he said he was unable to sleep. But he is highlighting his experience that he was not well. His nostrils were blocked, and he couldn't breathe properly. He couldn't sleep properly. He had a bad night and bad experience. Fine. Next day, Saturn took the author to the Darchen Medical College. The doctor told him that it was just the cold and the altitude which were giving him trouble. So he went to the doctor. The doctor told him it is just because of the high altitude. The higher we go, the cooler it is. We know that, na? That is why he was facing all these problems. The doctor gave him some medicine, and that night the author was able to sleep well. So he was attended properly by the doctor, and he was given medicine over there. Saturn left the author in Darchen and went back with the car to Lhasa. He didn't mind if the author would die in Darchen. He was a good Buddhist and believed in life after death. However, he was worried about the author's death could affect his business, or he may not get more tourists who required to accompany till the road ended. So he was very professional, we can say. Fine. He was not worried about the health of that author. He was worried about his business, that he could have more and more tourists in the season. The author looks up for a companion and meets Norbu. तो बट आपको पता ही है, he was alone over there. So he met Norbu over there, and he was from the same background. Like Ho, Darchen was dusty and a lot of rubbish could be seen all around. The town appeared to be sparsely populated. There were no pilgrimage, as the season had not yet started. He had reached there too early. He actually wanted to reach Kailash to do Kora to get a feel of what the pilgrimage was like, but he didn't want to do it alone.